Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to check purchase date on any iPhone. Now, there are two methods to check the purchase date of your iPhone. Now, for the first method, just open Settings, then go to General. Now, from here, just tap on About. Now, from here, just tap on Coverage Expired. Now, from here, it will show the coverage expiring date of your iPhone. And the coverage expiring date is usually 1 year after the purchase date. For example, mine is showing 7 December 2024. Then this means that the purchase date of my iPhone is 7 December 2023. Now, if this option is not available on your iPhone, now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Safari app. Now, in the search bar, just search checkcoverage.apple.com. Now, as you can see, it is asking you to enter the serial number of your iPhone. Now for that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now in Settings, just go to General, then tap on About. Now as you can see, this is the serial number of our iPhone. Now just tap and hold on the serial number and select Copy. Now just go back to the Safari app and paste the copied serial number over here. Now just enter this code, then tap on Submit. Now as you can see, it is showing the purchase date of our iPhone. And this is how you can check the purchase date on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.